Hi, scientists. It's Friday, April 3rd, and we're going to wrap up our learning for the rock cycle. You see Smokey here? He's hanging out. What I want to show you is I'm going to have this video on this slide for tomorrow, but I want to review our learning goal. We will understand that the properties of and the process that formed rocks determine their use in the world. And you're going to be successful if you can explain what types of rocks are in Colorado and where they're found. This is what I'm going to ask you to do today. So this says, hi boys and girls, I'm so proud of the work that you've done this week, remotely learning about the rock cycle. To complete our learning this week, click on the link below, and you can see the arrow right here. Here's the link. Link below, read the information and take the quiz at the end. Email your homeroom teacher your score. This is what Ducksters looks like. I clicked on the link. Hey, look, rocks and the rock cycle. You've done a lot of learning around these rocks in the cycle, but I really want you to read this over again. You should be familiar with this rock cycle. And scrolling down here, this is summarizing everything. Then you continue down here, interesting facts about rocks. And then activities, take a 10-question quiz. So you click on the quiz link and then you take it. Also at the end, record your score because you're going to go back over here where it says email your homeroom teacher your score. So we want to see and know how you did on the end of this lesson this week and how you did on the test. So keep up the great work. I'm proud of you and happy Friday. Have a good weekend.